So here, I'll be sharing to you the tools that every logistics VA should know. First is the TMS or the Transportation Management System. So dito usually nilalagay yung mga information like pickup details, yung delivery details, yung driver information, yung shipment information dito sa TMS. So TMS is like your file manager. Dito lahat ng mga load information na nilalagay. So dito din ina-upload yung mga documents such as mga rate confirmation, BOL or yung bill of lading, lahat ng mga paperworks or documents na kailangan. So dito din minamanage yung mga documents, yung mga information, yung mga loads natin. So the common TMS platforms are TAI, MacLeod, Ascent TMS, Tailwind. Actually, there are also other TMS out there na ginagamit din ng other logistics companies. So remember this, that all logistics companies merong TMS, but the difference is that they have different styles or GUI, or yung graphic user interface nila hindi magkapareho. Regarding on how to use the TMS, or regarding of the concept of the TMS, it's all the same in every logistics company. Second is the communication tools. So in logistics, communication is everything. Kasi kung may mga miscommunication, it could lead to delays or it could lead to complications ng ating mga shipments. So mostly ginagamit ng mga companies na tools for communication is first yung professional email, which is the Outlook. So sa Outlook, usually dito sinisend yung mga documents, yung mga rate confirmations, yung mga BOLs, mga pictures or updates. So dito usually nangyayari yung mga communication with your customers and even with your carriers. So whichever company you are, maybe you are in the carrier company, dito ka nagko-communicate sa broker mo or sa customer mo. Or if you are in the broker company, dito ka nagko-communicate sa customer mo or sa carriers. And other emails that they are using as well is the Google account. I believe most of us are already familiar with it. And for internal communication, ang ginagamit naman is Microsoft Teams. Kasi dito, real-time dumadating yung mga messages. The moment you will communicate with your internal team, your client, so dito usually kayo nagko-communicate. Third is the tracking tools, knowing where your truck is. So one of the most stressful questions sa logistics is nasaan na yung truck. That's why tracking tools are very important. So some of the tracking tools include MacroPoint, Forecast Tracking, Samsara, Tracker Tools, and many more. So these tools help companies monitor trucks location, yung ETAs or estimated time of arrival, yung mga delays, or yung route movement ng mga trucks natin. Imagine mo na lang parang Google Maps but for freight operations. So kapag marunong kang gumamit ng tracking tools, mas mabilis kang makapagbigay ng updates sa iyong mga customers. And customers loves updates. Fourth is highway or tinatawag nating carrier verification tool. So this tool is used to verify carriers. Kasi sa logistics industry, maraming mga fraud, maraming mga fake carriers or mga scammers. So, importante na kailangan natin i-verify first yung mga carriers na pinipili natin. Kasi one wrong carrier can cost thousands of dollars. Para itong security guard ng tracking world. And as a logistics VA, importante na malaman natin ito kasi most of the brokerages company uses highway daily. Fifth is load boards where loads are posted. So dito usually pinopost yung mga loads if ever you're in the brokerage company, but if meron ka naman sa carrier side ng company, dito ka naghahanap ng mga loads. So this is where brokers are searching for trucks and carriers are searching for shipments or loads. So some popular load boards are DAT load board, 123 load board, Truckstop, and Selectus. So dito makikita mo na din yung pickup location, yung delivery location, yung rates, and even yung load details. And as a logistics VA, dito ka usually nagpo-post ng mga loads at naghahanap ng mga trucks. So that's it for the tools of the logistics VA that you should know. So if you want to become a successful logistics VA, don't just work hard, but learn the tools that run the industry. Because the more tools you master, the more valuable you become. And I hope you've learned a lot from this video. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss more of my upcoming videos. See you!